Tonight is a terrifying encounter playing out on a busy highway in Delaware County. A man accused of firing more than a dozen shots yesterday on Westchester Pike appeared in court earlier today. 30-year-old Sean Moses is facing attempted homicide charges. Police say a woman and her 10-year-old nephew were in the car that was shot at.
This person has probably ruined his whole life over this road rage shooting.
News reporter Annie McCormick working the details. She's in Haverford with the very latest. Annie.
Yeah, and Shari, when Sean Moses went before the district justice earlier this afternoon, she held him on a very high bail at $1 million. He now faces attempted murder and aggravated assault charges.
Why did you shoot at her?
Why 13 times?
30-year-old Sean Moses of Drexel Hill went before a district justice this afternoon. It was yesterday afternoon around 3:30 in the 2000 block of Westchester Pike in Havertown when he allegedly fired at least 13 rounds from his Glock from his driver's side window into the front windshield of this Jeep Cherokee. Police say it's a miracle the driver wasn't hit.
Within inches. The one shot went right through the windshield and multiple other shots went through the front of the car into the car compartment, like the engine area.
He wanted to stop that vehicle from making contact with his vehicle, so he felt the need to fire 13 rounds at it.
The driver, a woman in her 40s, suffered minor injuries after she was hit by glass shrapnel. Her 10-year-old nephew was seated in the back and was not physically injured.
They were coming southbound on the Blue Route, got off at Westchester Pike accident, made a left coming up eastbound on Westchester Pike.
It was there, the victim says, Moses started tailgating the vehicle, then tried to get around her.
His driver's side did hit her passenger side of the vehicle.
That's when the shooting occurred. Luckily, the victim was able to get the license plate. Moses fled, but was caught less than 5 miles away by alert Upper Darby police with the help of a license plate reader. Moses told the judge he digs graves at White Marsh Cemetery. Police removed his Lincoln SUV, where inside they found his gun. Drivers who frequent Westchester Pike here reacted today.
Oh, like whenever something like that is like were to happen and whatnot, like I just usually roll up my window and just continue moving forward. Don't, interact with them and whatnot.
And Shari, police said today that Moses is licensed to carry the weapon that they did find in his vehicle. Additionally, police are also asking anybody that was out there yesterday, if they took video, to please contact them. For now, reporting live in Haverford Township, Annie McCormick, Channel 6 Action News. Shari.
Yeah, terrifying incident for sure. Annie, thank you.